Welcome to Understanding Limited Maintenance Plans. In this guide, we'll explain the benefits and savings of prepaying for your older vehicle's maintenance. Our Limited Maintenance Plan, referred to as LMP, is available for all makes and models of vehicles under 11 years old and with less than 160,000 kilometers. It helps you save on routine services with a fixed cost for maintenance over a specified time period you choose and has the benefit of roadside assistance included. You can select the coverage that is right for you, with plans covering up to 4 years and 80,000 kilometers. Following the manufacturer's recommendations, you'll receive a set number of service visits within the plan you choose. The LMP will cover engine oil and filter changes, tire rotations, fluid top-ups, and a multi-point inspection. You also have the option to upgrade to the synthetic oil replacement plan. The added bonus of roadside assistance covers the following services: towing, flat tire change, trip planning, winch out, lockout assistance, fuel delivery, emergency travel expense reimbursement, and battery boosting. Save money by locking in today's prices and avoid future parts and labor cost inflation. Service at all Ford and Lincoln dealers in Canada and the US. Properly maintain your vehicle to prevent larger, future issues. No deductible. 24-hour roadside assistance, about a $137 per year value. Easy financing, flexible payment options with available 0% financing, better vehicle resale value with records showing work is done. The cost varies depending on the plan's duration and your vehicle. However, one thing is guaranteed: you will pay less and save money in maintenance costs, as well as enjoy peace of mind driving and coverage. Basically, the roadside assistance is free with each package. To find the right limited prepaid maintenance plan for your lifestyle, contact any one of our QuickLane staff. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to taking great care of you.